Hi there, and welcome to 11 Plus Mocks Maths Test 3. Let's have a look at the first question together. So Upland School did a survey on favorite fruit juice flavors. How many children liked pineapple flavor the best? So if you look at this particular key here on the top of our screen, that gives us a key for favorite fruit juice flavor. A full cup of juice stands for 5 children, and a half a cup stands for less than 5 children. So because we're looking at pineapple here as an example, there we go. So we've got 5, which is the full cup, plus less than 5. And that's all the question tells us. It's less than 5 children in terms of what the particular answer could be. So let's have a look at the options to help us out here. Now we know that it can't be 10 because 5 add less than 5 is not 10. We know it's not going to be option B because it can't just be 5. It could be option C, which is 7. Let's have a look at option D. It can't be option D because 4 is less than 1 cup, which is 4. And we know that it can't be E because it has to be less than 10. So in this case, 7 is going to be our correct answer. In this particular mock test, you've got various different types of questions. Each question is similar to each other. So take your time, do plenty of working out, and decide what the correct answer is. And good luck with these. Thank you.